Kyolifa Tewerabidde?
What is it that you cannot forget in your life?
I'm born in Gideon. She's my wife over there.
Njagala kumanya gwe Pastor Iga obono Omukazi twamuwasa babiri.
Sebo nkwegayide kabasoke bampe katebe. Owa. Entandi kwera katebe nyango eno.
I think the beginning won't be very easy.
Sebo ono Mukazi.
Sir, this woman,
mazena emyaka esatu.
I've spent 3 years with her.
Naye myaka esatu.
But in those 3 years,
zembadde naye buli kaseera abarooza Pastor Iga.
All the time he's thinking about Pastor Iga.
Abange.
Oh.
Muntebe njamu.
Am I still be?
Genda maaso.
Continue.
Kati gwe ssebo ono Mukazi bwe namuwasa nemupangisiriza ennyumba e Kampala.
When I married this wife and I rented a house in Kampala for her.
Ogende naye.
Sir,
Wanji damumpulire. Wanji
bino simanyi buli wayebaka mu kitanda.
Whenever this woman sleeps,
ateeka mu kifuba ekifaananyi
she
kya
puts
Pastor Iga.
this picture in your chest, in her chest. The picture of Pastor Iga.
Bitambara bya Pastor Iga.
He has all that for Pastor Iga.
Sabunde zanaaba za Pastor Iga.
The soap she uses is for Pastor Iga. Even the soap, the jelly, all the things, they're all for Pastor Iga. Just look at her, even the necklace. So I was asking,
Omukazi wange bwe yabeera wuwo.
She's my wife.
N'ebintu bye bibino mbireese mubeere babiri.
But now since she loves you, I want you to be together.
No.
She's over there.
Omukazi gwe yeebaka arooza Pastor Iga.
Whenever she sleeps, she's thinking about Pastor Iga.
Agamba ngenze wa Pastor Iga.
Every time you tell her something, she says, I'm going to Pastor Iga. Every time she says, I'm going to pray for Pastor Iga. Are we all her husbands? Oh. Just explain to me, mister. Now what's your problem?
Mukazi kujja wano.
The woman coming here.
Kusabiranga wano chichi.
Praying for here.
Yakugamba ko nti twagalana.
Nanga kino kifaananyi nkiyina.
I also have this. Why doesn't he put my photo in her chest, but she puts yours in her chest? I also have photos, but she's always putting yours in the chest.
Akuba mugongo.
That is what annoys him.
Buba yeri musumbuwa gundi okimanyi omukazi ono mulungi.
Do you know that this woman is very beautiful?
Mukazi ono mulungi.
She's beautiful.
Era nange nagenda omuwasa ndaba mulungi naye geba yeteeka mu Pastor Iga
babeere wamu. By the time I married her, I also saw she was beautiful, but she's ever talking about Pastor Iga.
Omukyala
lady,
bakumpadde.
They've given you to me. Let me stay here. I know God will give me the husband I want.
Okay. Kakati ekizibu.
Now the problem.
Omukazi toyagala asabire wano.
You don't want your wife to pray from here. Should he fix it?
Omukazi toyagala asabire wano. Mukazi wo mwagala naye toyagala asabire wano.
You love your wife but you don't love her to fellowship from here. Is it so?
Kati ffe tumugana okukomawo wano. Ogenda kubeera naye waka. Bible egamba tugondera abaami baffe.
I suggest let us Be humble.
Omukazi alina okugondera amateeka ga bbaawe. Wemuteesa ki?
Omukazi ayimirira ne Katonda we.
Oli musajja munnange ebbuba likendeeze.
Kaakati omukazi omusonyiwa kyetaagisa ki?
What do you need to forgive your wife?
Omukazi omusonyiwa. Nga bw'oli pastor.
As you're a pastor,
tusalirawo.
You can decide for us.
Oba osobera beera naye simanyi.
If you can stay with her, I don't know.
Nyabo.
Lady.
Oja ogenda n'omusajja wo oba gwe oyagala kusabira wano?
Waakiri ngo akkiriziza ngo mbeere nsabira muno.
At least if she accepts that I
approach
from here.
osabira wano mugenda mwenna mujja kubeera mwenna.
If he accepts to stay here.
Ekiteeso ky'omukazi okyogerako kisebo.
What do you say about her idea?
Agamba okkirize olokoko naawe musabenga mwenna wano osobole okulaba gy'asabira nti tewali buzibu mubeere mwenna. Ogamba kiggwe.
She's saying get born again so that you stay together.
Kisoboka nyinzo kisobola.
Kubira Yesu engalo ez'amaanyi.
Clap your hands for Jesus.
Tosobwa programu yo Kyolifa Tewerabidde wano ku ABS television okuva ku Monday paka ku Lwokusatu ssaawa 4 ez'ekiro.